This is part 2 of Lego building.
And look, guys, this is what I do, but I don't know what.
Let me see. He done this so far. He's awesome. And I've done one person so far. And I'm building this little gun, and it's so cool. It actually works. Like, awesome. Okay, so look. Oh, the fill over there. See, it actually works. Okay, so I'm building a yellow man.
On this side. Wait, is this it? What?
Ah!
The right thing!
Good job!
Oh,
A little gun. Building this man up. Okay, so Hala bling, not Sala bling. Connect this. Okay, I connected the body. Now we have to connect this. Down. Now we're gonna connect the arms. Wait, are we? Okay, we're gonna have to take this off again. To put the arms and then put this thingy on. Make sure this is on the front and this is on the back.
Is that it?
Wait, is it the right one? Let me go check in the book. Okay, good thing that I checked because it has to be a yellow hat, not a red one. Let me see. Wow, what is this though? Let me see. It told me. Okay, let me see. Go to the page. Going. Have to find these. Oh yeah, and the yellow one.
Call me on my cell phone. Okay, Alexa? I need a little. Never mind.
And then
Okay.
these.
Which one was I?
Put it right there. And then he has to be holding his little gun.
Oh, people. Right?
Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see. So you connect it.
Oh no,
Now connect it with the yellow one. No. It's on that. No. Giovanni, look. Look. Okay. Put this little part, that one, right here. So connect it. There. Let me see. Good job. Giovanni helped me. Thank you, Giovanni.
welcome.
Okay, next step. Okay, we couldn't find another piece and
My dog broke it.
no, guess who ate it? Lola. Lola, why'd you eat it? It was not food. Look at the little pieces. She ate it. So, I guess we won't finish that one. But there's a whole big mess. And we're going to clean it up after we eat. So, bye.